Hey there, it's Steve, the Spectrum Inspection Group. Just wanted to show you something real quick on an inspection, on this morning's inspection. Keeping water away from the house is super important to avoid foundation damage, siding damage, things like that. One of the ways to do that is installing what's called kickout flashing or diverter flashing, where the gutter meets the exterior siding. So I wanted to show you this real quick. Let me flip the camera around. So right here is where a gutter meets siding, obviously, and what we have is water coming down the roof, getting between the end of the gutter and the siding. And so in this particular instance, we have wood trim around the window, and as you can see, a lot of that is spongy, and that could mean all kinds of things from damage we can't see to attracting carpenter ants and termites and things like that. So one of the improvements you can make is installing this kickout flashing, and it's actually something that can be field fabricated, or you can purchase it at a home improvement store. And of course, there are many links on Google where you can figure out how to have it installed. All right, thanks so much. Have a good day.